A learning that I took away from my CAT journey of 2 years is that you are going to hit roadblocks someday or the other at certain points. मतलब you clear one and आपके लिए दूसरी wait कर रही होगी. But what matters is that you get up at the end of the day, you solve one and move on to the other and enjoy the process while you can.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chamomile Tea with Toppers, an initiative by Unacademy. My name is Karishma Vanmani and I am sitting here in a beautiful quaint corner amidst the heavy traffic of Bangalore, and you will guess that very easily by the background noise. However, it's a beautiful rainy morning and I am here for a candid conversation with a CAT 2021 topper. So joining me today in a heart-to-heart conversation is a lovely woman, Prachi Gupta, who has converted IIM Calcutta. Let's dive deep into this conversation and know what her journey was all about. Hi Prachi, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you so much for having me here.
And how are you liking the weather, Bangalore weather?
Compared to Calcutta, it is amazing. Plus, the rainy morning has added on to the beauty of the city at this point.
And I'm sure life is all the more beautiful now that you're going to IIM Calcutta. So despite being in Calcutta, you joining IIM Calcutta, how does that feel?
I think and I'm pretty sure that the life inside the campus is going to be very different than what I've been leading so far, and I'm looking forward to the journey.
Awesome, sounds great. Okay, so first things first, tell me about how your journey started, what came up in your mind and when did you decide कि ये करना है? Plus, I think you should also tell our viewers about what is your background, what have you done in your graduation, where do you come from, all about you.
Alright, so I am Prachi Gupta and I am from Calcutta itself. I studied at Jadavpur University and I'm a sociology graduate. So it was after my class 12 that I decided to pursue sociology because it was a subject that intrigued and piqued my interest. At that point, I was unsure as to what I would do after 3 years, but I had a few options laid out in front of me. So the 3 options were I could either do my masters and pursue teaching, or maybe go for UPSC, and the third and the last option was going for MBA and giving CAT exams and the other MBA entrance exams. So after a lot of discussion with my family and friends and mentors, I decided to go ahead with MBA itself.
Alright.
Also, given my family background, which is in business itself, my father is a businessman, so I always had that leniency towards business.
Okay.
Yeah, so I used to help him out at his shop and interact with customers or even the dealers and the vendors that were there. And it was always fun and interesting. So I think that gave me an edge towards going for MBA as well.
Alright, cool. That sounds pretty sorted.
Yeah.
तो तुमको शुरू से ही पता था कि तुमको ये करना है? या ये अचानक कोई moment of epiphany था तुम्हारे लिए?
It was back in 2019 beginning, I guess, that I was having a discussion with my sister, my elder sister, that आगे क्या करना है, मतलब the pertinent question कि अब second year में हो गए college के, so आगे का सोचना है. Plus sociology as a subject is still growing. Yeah, it does not give you a sure shot job after 3 years of studying in the graduation. All right.
The रिश्तेदार will ask you कि sociology से तुम्हें क्या मिलेगा?
Exactly. So many questions. So we were having this discussion and then we had the same options laid out in front of us कि ये options है, चलो करना क्या है? तो मतलब ठीक है. That moment I realized कि MBA.
Okay.
It is my calling. मतलब I have to study a lot. I have to do research about the exams, about the colleges that are there in India, the top B schools. But that is something that I was bent towards हमेशा से.
So मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी viewers को कि ये important है कि अगर आप टॉपर हैं या आपको टॉपर बनने की इच्छा है तो रिसर्च बहुत important है. तो अगर आप रिसर्च खुद से नहीं करोगे तो आपको कभी क्लैरिटी नहीं आएगी कि आपको एक्चुअली किस दिशा में जाना है और आप कौन से कॉलेजेस और कौन से कोर्सेज के लिए ऑप्ट कर रहे हैं. एनीवे, और तुमने 2019 में तैयारी स्टार्ट की, तो ये तुम्हारा सेकेंड अटेम्प्ट था या पहला?
No, CAT 2021 was my second attempt. My first attempt was in 2020 itself. So I started my preparation from 2020. It was a very difficult period because that is when the COVID-19 pandemic started.
तुमने 2020 से तैयारी स्टार्ट की है?
Yes.
2020 में तुम्हारा नहीं हुआ?
Yes.
21. तो 2020 में तुमने तैयारी कब स्टार्ट की?
2020 I started my preparation seriously from the month of May, June.
Okay, so
Yeah.
those 6 months were not enough for you.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
And how did you prepare? मतलब तुमने कोचिंग लिया, खुद पढ़ रही थी, क्या किया?
In 2020, I took coaching classes from an institute in Calcutta itself, and we had to shift to online mode. Starting में offline mode चल रहा था, then online mode हो गया, and it was quite helpful. The batches were small, and that is exactly what I needed. And I took help from my friends otherwise who were also preparing for the same journey.
Okay.
And we had a study group sort of thing and helped each other with the doubts, and that is how I prepared. So CAT 2020 was did not happen. I made a few silly mistakes in a certain section.
How much did you score in 2020?
It was 96.5.
So you did well.
Yes.
But you took only CAT that year या तुमने और exams भी दिए थे?
I took ZAT exam, but CAT का results निकल गया था just a day before ZAT exam, and I saw my results and I was very disheartened, and I messed up ZAT as well.
Oh,
So it did not happen. It did not work out for me. So
but तुमने 96 वाले colleges नहीं opt किए?
no, the thing was I would have gone for a college if they would have given me a call, but मैंने sectional cut off ही नहीं clear किया था DILR का.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so
तो
that
दो
was
sections में अच्छा किया.
Yes.
96 plus लाया,
yes,
लेकिन नहीं
yes,
हुआ.
नहीं हुआ.
So I think ये एक important takeaway है कि sectional cutoffs
Very important.
very important.
Very
Yeah,
important.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then खराब हुआ, ZAT खराब हुआ. फिर 21 के लिए हिम्मत कब जोड़ी?
Oh my god, that was a very difficult phase in my life. So January happened, January 2021 started, and then again, उस समय my confidence took a very bad hit.
I'm sure.
Yes, I was like, अब क्या करना है? मतलब should I? Of course, my parents and my sisters mainly. We are 4 sisters, and I'm the youngest, so they are very supportive of whatever I do, and. They were like, of course, go ahead with whatever you want to do. We are here to support you. And I wanted to give CAT another attempt. So starting में January, February, March, I took a break. I focused on my graduation subjects because it was my last semester then. उस पे focus किया. फिर second wave of the pandemic आ गया. So it was a very dark period for, I guess, the whole of India. So
Absolutely.
that happened, and my confidence took a very bad hit. And at some point, it was so bad that I had to seek therapy sessions also.
Okay.
Yes, I took therapy sessions, and then after 2 or 3 sessions, I guess, I decided that nobody is going to be able to help me apart from me.
हाँ, because so therapist आपकी help कर सकता है, लेकिन जो काम वो बोलेगा internal battle जैसे हम कहते हैं, वो आपको खुद को लड़नी है.
Exactly. So my, academic rigor took a hit, and physically, health-wise also, I was not paying attention to myself because, until and unless mentally आप वो prepared रहो, mentally वो confidence नहीं रहेगा, so you don't feel like doing anything. So उस समय I took help. I talked to my family, and they were very supportive and helpful in this regard. So उसके बाद फिर it was in July or June, I guess, late July starting का, that I started my preparation again after I was done with my graduation. उस समय तक खत्म हो गया था. जून में हमारी एग्जाम थी लास्ट सेमेस्टर्स की, एंड आफ्टर दैट जुलाई से देन आई वाज लाइक अब करना है.
तो जुलाई 21 में तुमने फाइनल सीरियसनेस के साथ तैयारी स्टार्ट की है. तो ज्यादा टाइम नहीं. आई थिंक यू हैव गिवन इट 4 मंथ्स. जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर यू हैड एग्जाम.
यस.
तो तुमने अक्टूबर में एनमैट लिखा क्या?
नो.
So you okay? So 5 months then, July
Yes,
to November.
November.
All right, good enough.
या
So I think बहुत अच्छे टेकअवेज हैं हमारे पास इससे कि देयर विल बी लो टाइम्स. तो ऐसे टाइम्स आएंगे जहां आपको लगेगा कि कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, या आप अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं, योर कॉन्फिडेंस विल हिट द ग्राउंड, आप डीमोटिवेटेड फील करेंगे, आपको थेरेपी तक जाना पड़ सकता है, विच इज़ परफेक्टली एक्सेप्टेबल. आई नो इट्स स्टिल अ टैबू फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ अस, बट वी नीड टू बी मोर अकोमोडेटिंग. A very good point that she's pointed out is कि थेरेपी लेने के बाद भी the internal silent battle is yours and yours alone to fight. The therapist is just a help. And the most important point that I would like to point out here is that her family and friends were supportive. अक्सर कैट की जर्नी में जब हम अच्छा नहीं कर रहे होते हैं तो हमारे फैमिली से हमको प्रेशर ज़्यादा आता है, सपोर्ट कम आता है. मैं ये समझती हूँ एज एन एजुकेटर टीचिंग फॉर द लास्ट 11 years कि अगर इस टाइम पे फैमिली सपोर्ट कर देती है बजाय जज करने के, तो ये पूरा गेम बदल देता है. इट्स डेफिनेटली अ गेम चेंजर. All right, I think that was great. What about your preparation strategy? So when in July you started, तुम्हारा theory clear था पिछले साल से, या तुमको था कि मुझे दोबारा पढ़ना है? तुम्हारी प्रेपरेशन का लेवल क्या था ऑन अ स्केल ऑफ 1 to 10?
So I believe that my preparation for the first attempt at CAT itself was good enough to get a decent percentile and a good top B school. However, उस समय नहीं हुआ. तो my theory and concepts were pretty clear. However, I did decide to go back to the concepts once again, especially in quant. So फिर जुलाई में जो start किया, and since LRDI was a section I tanked in, I decided to put more attention to that. VRC, I'm not a very regular reader, but I believe that comprehension and reading skills were fine. मतलब ठीक था. एक दिन में अगर if I read 1-2 articles and उसको समझ जाना, that was enough for me. Yeah. LRDI के लिए I started practicing very regularly. I had bought the materials from Career Launcher and Time itself, and I found them to be really helpful. At points,
So by material you mean the books or the mocks?
the mock test series.
Okay.
They have topic tests as well.
Yeah,
उसमें
sectional tests.
Yeah, sectional test, topic tests है. Level wise भी है, basic, advanced, expert. So उस हिसाब से I was practicing. And for quant, I decided to go back to Arun Sharma.
Okay.
Like that was my go-to book for first year itself as well. Because for 3 years I did not study any maths, even though I had maths till class 11 and 12. 3 साल पूरा ब्रेक हो गया था.
अच्छा.
उसके बाद मैथ्स का वो पूरा आदत ही छूट गई थी. एंड इवन दो फर्स्ट ईयर में आई गॉट द हाईएस्ट, फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में आई गॉट द हाईएस्ट इन क्वांट एज वेल, बट फिर भी आई वाज लाइक कि रिस्क नहीं लेना है, वापस चले जाओ, क्लियर योर कॉन्सेप्ट्स वंस अगेन. And this is something I believe all the second timers or even people who are attempting CAT again will believe, that when you do it again, you gain a certain level of clarity which was not there the first time. And that is very important, I feel.
Absolutely.
Yes, because first time maybe you're going in a certain direction, and then if you do it the same way the second time, then how are you going to get a better result? मतलब वो तो change
Even if
करना
you're
पड़ेगा.
good,
Yes.
there's still scope for improvement.
Exactly, of course. मतलब वो 100% आई के लिए तो वो पहुंचने में तो मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. So that's what I did, and this was my, like, I started very slow. I gave myself the time and the scope कि slow लेके जाना है. End में if you want to make it rigorous, then that is going to be fine. But अभी foundation strong कर लो, because this is your second attempt. और इसके बाद मतलब फिर dicey हो जाएगा situation. तो देख के करना.
So when you say that I wanted to take it slow, what does that mean? Are you talking about reducing the number of hours? Are you saying you were studying less? Are you saying कि मैं पहले सिर्फ theory कर रही थी? What do you mean actually by taking it slow?
So I had more number of people or friends around me who were giving CAT in 2021 than in 2020.
Okay.
So they had started their journey from back in March, February, and they used to study for 6 to 7 hours a day. But somehow I always believed that CAT, more than mugging up the formulas and the theories,
Aptitude.
it is about aptitude. मतलब समझ में आ गया तो ठीक है ना, बट यू कैन ऑलवेज लुक आउट ऑफ द वे कि ये क्वेश्चन तो हम दूसरे तरीके से भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज व्हाट. सो बाय स्लो व्हाट आई मेंट इज कि आई यूज्ड टू मेक माय रूटीन्स वीकली, मंथली एंड डेली एज वेल.
Okay.
तो आई यूज्ड टू सेट टारगेट्स फॉर माई सेल्फ, अचीवेबल टारगेट्स. ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब एक दिन में मुझे LOD 1 कंप्लीट कर लेना है कोई एक चैप्टर का क्वांट में, या फिर आई हैव टू रीड 5 आर्टिकल्स इन अ डे. वैसे नहीं होता है. यू कैन नॉट फोर्स योर सेल्फ टू स्टडी मोर देन यू कैन. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज देन you will hit a mental block.
You'll also feel like a failure when you can't finish those
Exactly,
tasks on a daily basis.
exactly.
Very common among
Exactly,
students.
exactly. So that's what I did, and I did not used to devote more than 3 to 4 hours a day.
Okay.
वो भी सुबह में 2 घंटा, रात में 2 घंटा. तो वो बीच का दिन में पता ही नहीं चलता था कि मतलब आई एम स्टडिंग ऑल्सो. सो दैट यूज्ड टू कीप मी सेम.
तो इस टाइम पे जब तुम दिन में और रात को सिर्फ 2-2 घंटा दे रही थी, तो तुम्हारे दिन में तुम कुछ नहीं पढ़ रही थी?
No, the thing was, of course, I was not studying with the books or the mocks that were there, but that mindset keeps on going on कि मतलब I have to go back to this, or maybe a certain sum that you were unable to solve morning में. तो अच्छा ये.
So what were you doing during this phase? Were you working? Were you going to college? Or were you at home?
I was interning with an NGO,
Achha.
and I am also a state level basketball player, so I was going for my practices regularly.
Very nice.
And I give tuitions, तो वो ट्यूशन क्लासेस भी रहते थे, तो उसमें टाइम पास हो जाता था.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I think ये बड़ा अमेजिंग केस है. ट्यूशन पढ़ा रही है, बास्केटबॉल खेल रही है, और सुबह शाम 2-2 घंटा पढ़ रही है. काफी कूल है प्राची. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली क्लास में भी बोलते हैं, आज दोबारा बोल रही हूँ, इफ यू आर एक्सरसाइजिंग इन सम वे, playing your favorite sport, going for a brisk walk, or even just talking to your partner on the phone when you're on a romantic walk and rainy weather है तो थोड़ा माहौल. Endorphin release really helps you keep your sanity, and it is important for any exam, especially an exam like CAT जिसका difficulty level काफ़ी high है. तो ये बहुत important है और ये scientifically proven है that if you're physically active, exercising in some way, playing your favorite sport, going for a walk, it will help you stay sane and also physically fit. After all, पढ़ने के लिए physical fitness भी चाहिए. Also, she is doing things like interning and taking tuitions, which is helping her keep calm. तो ये important है कि आप अपने life का focus CAT पे रखें, लेकिन don't be obsessed with it, because if you're obsessed with it, you might end up making unrealistic targets. So like she says, she knew कि उसको daily basis पे क्या करना है, monthly और annual basis पे क्या करना है, लेकिन वो ऐसे targets नहीं बनाती थी जो कि unachievable हो, because unrealistic targets रखोगे तो at the end of the day you end up demotivated and then you don't feel like studying anymore. So consistency and continuing is far more important than delivering huge targets in one day and you do all the crash dieting. The next day you end up binge eating. So don't do that. Consistency is very important.
Yeah.
All right. So and then you took it slow till when, and then when did you pace up and how?
So I took it slow till mid-August, I guess. Mid-August. उसके बाद से I started giving a lot of mocks.
Okay.
And mocks, I believe, even though they are preparing you for the main exam, they are not the main exams, right? And luckily, since it was my second attempt, maybe I had that kind of mentality or I had that clarity of concepts. I maintained a consistent 85 plus percentile in all my mocks.
Okay.
Yeah, so that was a great confidence booster.
But not something that made you overconfident.
Not at all. Of course, like, I don't know if it happens usually, but somehow, even if I achieved a 95 percentile in a certain mock, I was like, ये 100 कब जाएगा?
Okay.
So I'm like working for it. So since this was my second time, I was quite passionate for it. I had to do well in this attempt and crack the exam or exams otherwise as well. So that is what I did. I also used to read newspapers every day, like. न्यूज़पेपर में एडिटोरियल्स जो होते थे ना, द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में जो एडिटोरियल्स होते हैं, लाइक नाउ मे बी यू विल नॉट रियलाइज, यू विल रीड इट मे बी फॉर VARC कि चलो रीडिंग हो जा रही है, बट आगे जाके इट इज गोइंग टू बी ऑफ ह्यूज हेल्प व्हेन इट कम्स टू इंटरव्यूज. वील कम टू दैट लेटर. या सो
very important.
या सो वो दोज एडिटोरियल्स यूज्ड टू बी न्यूज़पेपर भी पढ़ ले रहे हो एंड VRC की वो रीडिंग भी हो जा रही है. सो दैट इज नॉट एन एडेड बर्डन कि VRC के लिए मेरे को अभी अच्छा एक आर्टिकल पढ़ना है, मुझे 2 आर्टिकल सॉल्व करने हैं RC पैसेजेस के. सो नो, मतलब मेक योर रूटीन इन सच अ वे दैट यू आर अचीविंग 2 टारगेट्स बाय एम्प्लॉइंग 1 वे. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज अबाउट.
In fact, when we talk about reading, I think reading helps you with GK, it helps you with VARC, it helps you with GD, it helps you with WAT, the essay writing.
Yes.
It helps you with personal interviews.
Yes.
It will also help you with the extempore and the group activity या group exercise आजकल भी schools में होता है, उसमें भी आपको help मिलती है. तो जब हम reading करते हैं, और reading की अच्छी बात ये है कि आप actually कुछ solve नहीं कर रहे हो, तो वो एक leisurely activity है.
Yes.
और उस leisurely activity से आप you preparing for 6-7 things simultaneously.
Exactly.
अगर हम ये ध्यान रखते हैं तो हम motivated रहेंगे और reading एक ऐसा part of your routine बन जाएगा जो जाएगा नहीं. एंड आई एम श्योर हम ये जानते हैं कि अगर आप किसी कॉर्पोरेट में काम करें या आप एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बने MBA करने के बाद, इफ यू आर नॉट अ रीडर, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू सिट विथ योर पीयर ग्रुप. बात करने के लिए जो कंटेंट आता है वो रीडिंग और लिसनिंग से ही आता है. तो रीडिंग इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर प्रेपरेशन एंड इट हैज टू बी देयर थ्रू आउट योर लाइफ, नॉट जस्ट टिल एन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम.
Exactly.
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑल राइट. और मॉक्स तुमने स्टार्ट कब किए? जुलाई itself?
Yeah, I started giving mocks in July itself.
इज देयर अ नंबर कि तुमने कितने मॉक्स दिए थे?
I counted for CAT 2020 I gave 33 mocks and for CAT 2021 it was 37.
So yeah, that's pretty much 70.
70.
Okay, so 70 full length mocks. Great. And sectional tests? Counting नहीं है?
No.
That's an honest answer because sectional test का अगर counting तुम्हारे पास है मतलब तुमने पढ़ाई नहीं करी. That's what I would say as a teacher. Nice, very nice. And so फर्स्ट ईयर में तुमने क्लासेस करी थी, सेकंड ईयर में 0 क्लासेस?
0 classes.
Oh, that's amazing. So second year 0 classes,
self prep
and 37 mocks.
Yes.
Self study.
Yes.
Any guidelines on how you planned your day? क्योंकि self study में बहुत बार बच्चे हिल जाते हैं.
Yes, of course. So it depends on what they are doing right now or at what stage they are in. Like हो सकता है ना कि कोई job कर रहा है या फिर कोई मतलब someone has graduated and उसके बाद they have time and they are preparing just for CAT या फिर college चल रही है. So you need to keep in mind the things that you have to do. Like classes करने तो you cannot, you will have to adjust your preparation timing according to that. So it depends on that. I used to stick a paper on my cupboard कि अच्छा ये September month है, उसमें कैलेंडर छोटा सा बना के जिस दिन अचीव नहीं किया टारगेट्स आई यूज्ड टू पुट अ क्रॉस. ठीक है, सो दैट यूज्ड टू मोटिवेट मी कि कल क्रॉस नहीं होनी चाहिए, आज क्रॉस हो गया और नहीं होना है. सो मैक्सिमम मतलब स्कोप आई यूज्ड टू गिव माई सेल्फ द स्कोप कि चलो 4 क्रॉस हो सकते हैं.
Okay, nice. हाँ, breaks are important. We are humans.
Of course. So 4 क्रॉस हो सकते हैं, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं करना है unless it's something that you cannot avoid. So set daily targets, weekly targets maybe, and towards the end your daily and weekly targets will mostly be analyzing mocks and giving sectionals.
Absolutely.
Starting में होता है कि I have to complete this chapter of quant या I have to go through this set in LRDI या फिर I have to get acquainted with reading different types of passages in RC. But end की तरफ it just mocks. तो सुबह mock दे दिया तो रात में 2 घंटा फिर analyze कर लो. That is how it used to be. नेक्स्ट डे फिर ब्रेक लेना है मॉक से, सो यू गिव सेक्शनल इन द मॉर्निंग कोई एक सेक्शन का, रात में दूसरे सेक्शन का, एंड देन यू रिवाइज फॉर द थर्ड सेक्शन में भी कुछ फॉर्मूलाज और गो थ्रू पास्ट पेपर्स, रीड न्यूज़पेपर्स. सो ऐसे करके आई यूज्ड टू मेक माई डेली स्केड्यूल.
और तुमको डाउट्स आते थे तो तुम कैसे करती थी, क्योंकि तुम क्लासेस तो ले ही नहीं रही?
यस, सो आई हैड माई फ्रेंड्स हु वर गिविंग कैट दिस ईयर.
सो ग्रुप
स्टडीज हेल्प मी. लाइक ज़्यादा नहीं थे बट वी यूज्ड टू सेंड ईच अदर द डाउट्स दैट वी हैड and they used to help.
और फर्स्ट ईयर में तुम्हारे को टीचर से हेल्प मिली थी?
Yes.
Okay. So Prachi, I am really keen on myself. I would like to watch this and I am sure the viewers are interested in seeing the cross and the ticks. तो जैसा एक ही गाय में बोलते हैं ना, fall 7 times and get up 8. तो वो 4 क्रॉसेस ओके, आप संडेज ऑफ ले सकते हैं. मैं अक्सर क्लास में बोलती हूँ आपका जो फेवरेट डे आप वो ऑफ ले सकते हो, क्योंकि ऑफ्स लेना इंपॉर्टेंट है. वी आर ह्यूमंस, हम बर्नट आउट नहीं हो सकते हैं. स्पेशली वो बच्चा जो कैट की तैयारी 1 साल 1.5 साल 2 साल करता है, वो सबसे ज़्यादा बर्नट आउट है. जो बच्चा जॉब नहीं कर रहा है वो भी बर्नट आउट है, क्योंकि वो घर पे बैठ के, अच्छा ये बहुत फैंटेसाइजिंग आइडिया है कि मैं ड्रॉप लेके तैयारी कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन एक्चुअली ड्रॉप वाला बच्चा बहुत प्रेशर में होता है. हमारे पिक्चर्स से आई एम श्योर उनको बहुत मोटिवेशन मिलेगा कि सम क्रॉसेस आर ओके. It's about more ticks का majority होना चाहिए.
Yes, absolutely.
Alright Prachi, let's talk about the 3 sections. What's your favorite among the 3?
I would have to say it was QA.
Okay, and why? Like you scored the highest in QA out of all the 3?
Yes, both the times.
So highest इसीलिए favorite है या favorite था इसलिए highest आए? Causation या correlation?
I would have to say it's a correlation.
Okay.
It goes both ways.
So what was your approach and why did you really like quant despite being on a break with quants for 3 years?
Yes, absolutely. So for QA, I started solving Arun Sharma.
Acha.
It was a very methodical approach. Started with arithmetic, went on to algebra, geometry, and then came number system and modern maths.
Okay.
So वैसे जाके I tried to cover all the concepts, especially in arithmetic and algebra, because they are the ones that take the major chunk of the QA section in CAT paper today.
This year also the arithmetic portion was more, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, it was. So basically what I did, once my foundation was strong and I liked QA doing, and this is the reason why, once my foundation was built and it was strong, what I was able to do after that is look out of the way and try a different method. And this is something that all the aspirants should take note of. It is very important to build your foundation. The base should be strong because it is only then that you will be able to solve it in the conventional way. कि formula use करके traditional method जो है, you know how to do it. But वो जब हो जाता है ना, when you are strong with those concepts, you are able to look out of the box and see कि कोई और तरीका है कि नहीं solve करने का. So that is why QA, piqued my interest in the subject and intrigued me in certain ways that maybe other 2 sections were not. So I also used to listen to a lot of music while solving quant questions.
Very interesting. So
Yeah.
music मतलब गाने कि सिर्फ the acoustics and the instrumentals?
No, I used to listen to songs.
Proper songs.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. Both pop, Bollywood, Hollywood, सब चलता था. हाँ, so basically I heard it somewhere that, with the rhythm in the background and while you are solving the question, it gets ingrained in your brain far more better than when you're just solving it, because then it might also get monotonous.
अच्छा.
And although it worked for me, it might not work for you, but you can try this method. मतलब ठीक है, safe, tried and tested है मेरी तरफ से.
Okay.
Yeah.
एक्सपेरिमेंट करने में कोई बुराई नहीं है.
Exactly. अभी टाइम भी है.
कि एक बहुत अच्छा टेक अवे यहाँ पे QA के लिए ये है कि आपने अपने टीचर से या बुक से कन्वेंशनल अप्रोच सीख लिया. उसके बाद क्या आपने कोशिश किया दिमाग लगाकर अपना वर्जन ऑफ शॉर्टकट ढूंढने का या अपना कोई मेथड निकालने का. अगर आप वो क्वेश्चन में कोई अलग मेथड नहीं भी निकाल पाते हैं तब भी QA LRDI 2 ऐसे सेक्शंस हैं जो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोच पे बेस्ड है. तो आपका ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग और प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग अप्रोच अगर इंप्रूव होता है, यू विल डेफिनेटली डू बेटर in QA and LRDI than an aspirant who just sticks to what was taught in the class or what was mentioned in the book. So very important. Very nice. Next section, second favorite section कौन सा है?
I would have to say VRC.
हाँ, क्योंकि DILR में कम आ रहे थे. अभी मेरे को कॉज इफेक्ट दिख रहा है. Okay, बताओ VRC के बारे में क्या कहना चाहती हो? कैसे पढ़ाई की? वीक एरिया क्या था? तुमने VA को RC जितना इम्पोर्टेंस दिया या RC से कम?
So I think I gave more importance to solving RC passages than solving VA, because VA at the end of the day I had this, somewhat a safety spot. You can say that VA is mostly TETA questions. हाँ, तो चलो अगर टाइम नहीं भी मिला तुक्का मार दिया तो हो जाएगा.
Okay.
There's a chance कि हो सकता है, 25% चांस है.
लेकिन RC में नेगेटिव्स है.
हाँ, RC में नेगेटिव्स है. So I used to, like I said, I used to read newspapers every day. उनके editorials used to be a source for me to read articles from.
Okay.
And Aeon essays बोल के एक है, मतलब that used to be my source constantly. Yes. Even though मतलब इतने लंबे लंबे होते हैं at a
तो
point.
Aeon का यही क्वेश्चन मैं तुमसे पूछूंगी जो मुझसे पूछा जाता है कि मैम 4000 वर्ड का आर्टिकल है. तो आज तो मैं सिर्फ एक ही आर्टिकल पढ़ पाया हूँ और ये 4000 वर्ड में you begin and you don't know where are you ending.
Yes.
How did you handle that? Did you read the entire thing or?
Not always, not always. So you know what, my target was always to read a few paragraphs and then stop, take a break and see whether I'm understanding or able to connect the dots between those at least. 3-4 paragraph ही है, because main RC passage in the
500
exam.
words आ रहा है.
Exactly. So I used to do that. उसके बाद अगर इंटरेस्ट रहा तो पढ़ा, वरना छोड़ दिया.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Yes, that's what I used to do.
Okay. So Aeon essays, editorials, newspapers.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो रीडिंग बिट हो गया. तुम्हारा क्या टेक है कि VARC is only about reading या उसमें लॉजिक और strategies involved है?
I think there are a lot of strategies involved in RC as well. Like there's something called this elimination method जो लोग use करते हैं.
POE.
Yes, POE. So that is really helpful. मतलब जितना भी cliched sound करे कि ये करना है, it is very helpful. Also, I used to hit a rock bottom with VA at certain VARC at certain mocks कि मतलब कभी ऊपर जा रहा है तो कभी नीचे जा. Yes.
तो आपको समझ नहीं आता where you going wrong.
Exactly. So I talked to my mentors around me, and they suggested I take a break.
Okay.
Like उन्होंने बोला, and I understood later as well कि if you're not reading for 2 weeks, it's not like कि आप English भूल जाओगे. मतलब it's okay to take a break. That's what my point is, because then you start afresh, right? And that is very important because you have been at it for so long.
Yeah, burnt out.
Exactly. So and reading तो नहीं भूलोगे. So 1 हफ्ते का break ले लो reading से. Maybe do just light reading. Do not give sectionals. Mocks देना है तो ठीक है. So I used to take breaks बीच में. कैट के पहले भी I did not do any reading because फिर वो mental block hit हो जाता था.
But you must have come back to reading when you were preparing for the later rounds.
Yes, of course, of course.
Okay, okay. So yeah, I think VARC में 3 चीज़ें. पहला, रीडिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आप रेगुलर रीडर हैं तो आप बीच में ब्रेक्स ले सकते हैं. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप इफ वाला पार्ट सुने कि अगर आप रेगुलर रीडर हैं तो ब्रेक्स लेने हैं. ये नहीं कि मैं ब्रेक्स ही लेता रहता हूँ. नंबर 2, एलिमिनेशन सीखना और स्ट्रैटेजी सीखना इंपॉर्टेंट है और लॉजिकली उसको अप्रोच करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. और तीसरा ये कि इवन इफ यू आर गिविंग मोर इंपॉर्टेंस टू RC एंड इवन इफ यू टेकिंग मॉक्स एंड योर स्कोर फ्लक्चुएट्स विच इज़ वेरी कॉमन इन VARC, क्योंकि नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है और आप श्योर नहीं होते हो तो आपके नंबर कटते हैं और आपको समझ नहीं आता. उसका एनालिसिस करके उसके हिसाब से आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं. सो दोज आर द टेकअवेज फॉर VARC.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your dreaded section which forced you to take the second attempt.
Yes.
LR and DI. So tell me all about it.
So
कैसे पढ़ा? अच्छा, बहुत स्टूडेंट्स को नंबर ऑफ सेट्स से ऑब्सेशन है.
Yes.
और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम गलत सेट चूज कर लेते हैं और उसमें you spend a lot of time. So how did you handle all of that?
Yeah, so with LRDI, even though I practiced a lot for the first attempt itself, it was because of silly mistakes that I could not get through.
So by silly mistakes you made calculation or you choosing the wrong
Calculation.
set? What is it?
कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक.
अच्छा.
+10 -10 का हो गया था. थीटा क्वेश्चंस थे, 3 तो रॉन्ग हो गए ऐसे.
Oh, okay.
So 9 marks over there is a huge difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's
change.
पूरा game change हो गया. So with LRDI for my second attempt, I started practicing with the topic test that I had from CL and Time, and then it was back in August and September. 2 months I practiced LRDI almost every day.
Cool.
Yes.
No crosses there.
No crosses there, not at all. Like it's like even if I'm out with my friends or family, रात में अगर वो दिन भर में नहीं हुआ है ना, मतलब वो माइंड में चल रहा है कि अभी जाके पढ़ाई करनी है मुझे. And it was not a burden for me somehow. I used to enjoy the process, and LRDI after quant was also very interesting.
Okay.
Yes, like different types of sets.
It's a good break.
It's a good break. It's a good break. And even if you get stuck at a particular set, मतलब 1 घंटा दे दो, 2 घंटा दे दो, it's fine, right? हो जाना चाहिए, because it is not unsolvable.
Yeah.
होगा ही solve. So you can, think out of the box, go for it. So August, September was rigorous practice for LRDI. I also started solving Sudokus a lot. हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा. मतलब एक टाइम पे मेरा ये हो गया था, एडिक्शन हो गया था, ऑब्सेशन हो गया था कि सुडोकू सॉल्व करने है, सुबह उठ के एक सॉल्व करने, रात में सोने से पहले एक सॉल्व करने, दिन में टाइम मिल गया तो उस समय सॉल्व करना है. सो most people, again it's another cliched stuff कि you should solve puzzles for LRDI, but again it is so helpful. Why would you not?
और फिर हम बायो में भी लिख सकते हैं ना, सुडोकू enthusiast.
exactly, why not? So, and that did help me change my perspective towards LRDI, because Sudoku enables you, or demands you to think of different ways or think of different scenarios all at once. So that is something that LRDI demands as well, so why not? So that is something I started doing, and the mocks were there, the past papers. I went back to CAT 2020 का slot 1 का paper कि चलो ठीक है फिर से solve करते हैं, and उस समय I was able to solve almost all the questions, so that was a very big confidence booster.
The nightmare became a dream.
हाँ. मतलब एकदम एग्जाम के पहले it was a very big confidence booster कि it's not like मैं नहीं कर सकती. I am able to do it, just that उस दिन maybe it was not my day, but I am going to make it this time.
Awesome. और ये जरूरी है, क्योंकि अगर sanity नहीं है, equanimity नहीं है, तो वो दिन will spoil it.
Yes, exactly.
How was your experience on the actual day of CAT?
Okay, so actual day of CAT, mine was the first slot. हाँ, तो सुबह उठना है. It was just before CAT, like कि I felt very ill, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा sick. ठीक है, I was unable to like
CAT के just पहले.
Okay. हाँ, so I was still, मतलब as it is I was thinking to take a break for 2 days कि चलो break ले लेते हैं, फिर में भी एक mock दे देंगे, and उसके बाद I'll be done. 1 हफ्ता पहले chill है. तो वो break that stretched on to 2 weeks.
मतलब you fell ill.
हाँ, पूरा ज़्यादा, मतलब
फिर तुम nervous हो गई या you pulled yourself up? I'm sure you pulled yourself up, यार, results बता रहे हैं.
Somehow, yes, and plus something happened, like CAT was on one Sunday, and the Sunday before that I attempted my last mock.
अच्छा.
And I got the worst percentile I had in the 2 years of my mocks. And I don't know, it was like somewhere in the 50 and 60s, and at least for my second attempt ka preparation, it was all above 85 plus, like I mentioned before. So
you're scoring 50, 60s in your nightmarish section just before the exam.
Yes, nightmarish. It was all together in the mock. Like
overall तुम्हारा 50, 60 आ रहा है.
अचानक से it was.
और तुम बीमार पड़ रही हो.
हाँ.
ये बहुत interesting है. And how did you pull yourself up from that dark space?
Yes. So I looked back at my journey, and it was a 2-year-long journey. I was like, I cannot let this go because I am falling sick, or it is because I just gave a pathetic mock. नहीं हो सकता है. Plus, I talked to people around me, and they, encouraged me. Like, support from people around you is very important at such crucial stages. Yeah, so luckily I had that, and they consoled me, and they told me that we have confidence in you. If you do not have confidence in yourself, जाके exam दे दो chill होके. तो मैंने गई, I went. सुबह था 6 बजे उठ के I drove to the center myself. वहाँ पे center में exam बैठे I was thinking कि chill है. First question came VRC ka, it was all fine. VA was good. I moved on to LRDI. Pattern had changed. Your pattern had changed. They had reduced the number of questions. Yeah. So we did not know what was coming. Slot 1 ko pata nahi. Yeah. So that changed, and I went through the questions all at once. कि कितना questions है किस set में. I starting I guess I was unable to make a decision for 7 to 8 minutes, but then I got myself together, gathered myself.
बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes.
I think ये बहुत जरूरी है कि अगर आपका शुरू का 5 मिनट खराब हो गया, 7 मिनट खराब हो गया, एंड नाउ ये ज्यादा होता है बिकॉज नाउ द सेक्शंस आर 40 मिनट्स.
Yes.
अगर 40 मिनट्स में से 5-7 मिनट खराब हो जाते हैं, आप ये मत सोचो कि 5-7 मिनट चलेगा, आप ये सोचो कि यार 35 बचे हैं, 30 बचे हैं. Make that 30 count.
Very important. Very important. So I made that 30 minutes, 35 minutes count, and then I moved on to the quant section. Quant I was very confident about. Like I said, it was my favorite of the lot. So I'm like,
you ate the dessert in the end.
एकदम. So exam के बाद मतलब feeling बढ़िया ही आ रही थी. I was like, हो गया बस.
So you knew कि मेरा हो जाएगा.
नहीं, I did not have that assurance, but I was like, I did my best.
You did your well.
I did my best. So वो हो गया था. Plus I had other exams to prepare for, ZAT and IIFT. And
so which brings me to the next question. What were the OMETs that you took? Only ZAT and IIFT?
Yes, apart from CAT.
उसके लिए तुमने कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करा और कब करा?
So IIFT was just a Sunday after CAT.
Like always.
Yes, but in Calcutta it was postponed and neighboring.
Because of the cyclone.
Yes, because of the cyclone. So वो फिर I guess it was held in end of December.
Yes.
So एक हफ्ता 4 दिन जो थे before we got the notice कि postpone हो गए. So I was giving mocks every day कि अब करना है.
IIFT specific mocks.
Yes, IIFT specific mocks. So उसके बाद जो हो गया, उसके बाद notice आया कि छोड़ना है and
so you were happy?
I was happy also because उस day Money Heist की new season निकली थी. I'm like, I'll binge watch this now.
Money Heist is important. So I remember Odisha and Kolkata.
Yes,
two places IIFT was postponed because of the cyclone.
Yeah.
And a lot of people were sad कि अरे यार अब और पढ़ना पड़ेगा. It's not ending. But yeah, see, there is a brighter side to it. Money Heist.
Yeah. So somehow after that I took a break. मतलब somehow I did not have it in myself to study more. Plus CAT का answer key came out. So
the scorecard.
Yes.
No.
Answer key.
The response sheet.
The response sheet. Yeah. So that came out and I checked it and somehow मतलब वो फिर estimated percentile के around दिखा रहा था कि चलो हो गया. So I could take a breather and IIFT was still left, ZAT was still left. And even though I did not prepare for it and it might sound all boasting, but I got 99 plus in all the 3 exams.
So see, you're saying that you did not prepare, but I think you prepared enough.
Maybe it was that.
अक्सर कहा जाता है ना हमारे इंडस्ट्री में कि अगर आपने कैट की तैयारी अच्छे से कर ली है तो बाकी सब हो जाएगा. तो थोड़ा बहुत डिसीजन मेकिंग जीके एटसेट्रा वो आप कर सकते हो.
Yes.
Okay, so what all calls did you get and what all rounds did you face? I think in Calcutta they have personal interview if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
So what all calls did you have and what are your final results? What all calls do you have now also?
So the first call, the first IIM to send us a call was Kozhikode. IIM Kozhikode. Then it was for I have AC, KNI.
So you have all of them. So you
from among Blackie IIMs, except Bangalore and Lucknow, I have the rest 4.
Achha.
And then CAP IIMs. I also filled the form for FMS MDI, SPGen. SPGen I did not get through.
Okay.
MDI and FMS I sat for. Then there was ZAT.
Okay.
Auxiliary, BM and HRM both. And then I also went for IIFT.
So ZAT mein also you got through and you got a call for HRM and BM.
Yes.
Okay, cool. That's beautiful dilemma hai to bada.
Yes.
Tell us something about your interview experience at C.
Okay. So it was my first.
मुझे sorry for the interruption, but जब तुम इंटरव्यू देके निकली तो तुम्हारे को क्या लग रहा था कि मेरा होगा या नहीं होगा?
I was like हो जाएगा.
ठीक है. Because बहुत बार ऐसा भी होता है कि हमको लगता है बहुत खराब हुआ है, but then you get a call.
No.
So I was wondering if you are that case. Anyway, how was it?
It was one of my best interviews, I'd say. I gave 11 interviews this season and C was my 4th, I guess.
Achha.
So in 24 hours span, I gave 3 interviews. First was MDI, उसी के same day Auxiliary का एक था, and then next day morning was C again. So the day started and the first thing that happened was my laptop stopped working.
Oh, that's great. Amazing है ये तो बड़ा.
Yes, so I called up my friend immediately and then I was like कि laptop चाहिए, I have my interview and everything. So she's like आके ले लो. So I went to her place, got the laptop and then I sat down again. फिर mic का कुछ problem हो रहा था. I'm like why? But of course मतलब I have been through CAT and so many exams. So I'm like ऐसे tough situations में you do not
lose your cool.
Yes, you do. It's very important. It's very
Staying
important.
calm
very
is very important.
Because मतलब जो होने का होगा ना तो वो हो ही जाएगा ना.
सही बात है.
Exactly. You can only do so much. Yeah. So फिर उसके बाद I was luckily I was the first candidate in my panelist to be interviewed. So the interviewers were also in a very happy mood.
Charming.
हाँ. Hi,
Energy on thing.
Yes. So the interview was pretty.
Do you
Good.
have a couple of questions जो तुम्हें याद रहेंगे, जो तुम्हें लगता है यार ये क्या पूछ लिया?
Okay. Yes, and this is from the Calcutta interview itself. So one of the panelists, he asked me, don't you think Calcutta is a little too Bengali?
Calcutta to Bengali? Okay, keep it coming.
Yeah, so even I have been born and brought up in Calcutta, and even though my family belongs from Bihar, दिल से आई एम अ पूरा बंगाली. सो मुझे उस समय मन कर रहा था कि मैं बोल दूं हाँ भाई है बंगाली, मतलब यहाँ पे है वैसा कल्चर. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई हैड टू गिव अ डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर जो उनको एक्सेप्ट हो.
Napatula.
Yes. So I gave a proper measured answer. But this is one question that will stay with me forever. मतलब
And any questions that you could not answer?
एक मैथ्स के ऊपर क्वेश्चन था.
अच्छा.
Probability he asked me.
अच्छा.
हाँ, so I was able to start the sum but end में stuck हो गया. But he was like कि approach सही है, चलो ठीक है. So after the interview I had a very calm feeling कि हो गया, अच्छा था.
Okay. GK based questions?
None that I can recall.
Okay.
It was mainly revolving around Calcutta itself. Like the college I belong to, Calcutta and the infrastructural issues. Why do you like Calcutta? Stuff like that.
That's
Yeah.
nice. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
I think this was a very enriching conversation, and I'm sure that the aspirants will learn a lot from your story. Time for a surprise, and that is a rapid fire round. Are you ready?
I hope so.
Okay, so I'll ask you some quick questions, and I'm expecting quick answers.
All right.
So speed and accuracy both, huh?
Okay.
Question 1. Your favorite movie?
Shutter Island starring Leonardo DiCaprio and Mark Ruffalo.
Okay. What music do you like? Maybe a song also that you could like.
Pop music, I love the song Heart Like Yours.
All right. Who's your favorite YouTuber?
I'm not a YouTube fan.
Okay. Are you competitive?
Very.
All right. What is your favorite social media app?
Quora at this point.
Quora?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Do you read books?
Not regularly.
Okay, so do you have a favorite novel?
At this point, it's Atomic Habits by James Clear.
Oh, nice. What is the meaning of life according to you?
Life is, uncertain, but you got to enjoy as and when it comes.
I like that. Are you a meme sharer?
Not at all.
Okay. And do you like it when people send you memes?
At times, it has to be good.
Really funny.
Really funny.
Introvert, extrovert, or ambivert?
Ambivert.
Favorite food?
Biryani.
Street food or restaurant style?
Restaurant style.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Actor or actress favorite?
Actor, I'd have to say Hrithik Roshan has always been a
Okay.
die-hard fan. Actress, it has to be Rosamund Pike.
What annoys you the most?
Talkative people, overly talkative people.
Okay. What have you heard about Bangalore?
Bangalore, the weather is amazing.
Okay, I can see that. All right. And are you a sports person? I think we all know that answer.
Yes, of
Basketball.
course. Of course.
Yeah. What is the one problem that you would like to solve in the world?
It's when it comes to women's education and how to empower them and encourage them, not just them, their family as well, because the support matters a lot at this point.
I think this was one epic rapid fire. I may not be able to solve any of your problems, Prachi, but I have a surprise for you, a surprise
Oh my God.
hamper. Are you excited? Please
Of
say yes.
course, of course.
So this is a hamper from Chamomile Tea with Toppers, powered by An Academy.
Thank you so much. Thank
All
you.
the best for your journey at IIM Calcutta. I would want you to say do shabd to our aspirants.
A learning that I took away from my CAT journey of 2 years is that you are going to hit roadblocks someday or the other at certain points. मतलब you clear one and आपके लिए दूसरी wait कर रही होगी. But what matters is that you get up at the end of the day, you solve one and move on to the other and enjoy the process while you can.
That's absolutely in line with the story that you narrated and very, very important. In the end, I would like you to tag a topper जिसका story आप चाहती है कि हम सब सुने.
I would like to tag Chaitanya. He is my mate from An Academy.
Alright, that's great. I think we had a beautiful time with you amidst the
Absolutely.
beautiful weather.
Absolutely.
And I'm looking forward to more chronicles from IIM Calcutta now.
Of course.
All right.
Thank
It
you
was
so
really
much.
nice meeting.
Thank you so much.